Okay, so the next question is, what is ustrict? So ustrict is a way to voluntarily enforce stricter parsing and error handling on the JavaScript code at runtime. So code errors that would otherwise have been ignored or would have failed silently will now generate errors, or it will be throwing exceptions. Okay, so the benefits of strict mode are: it makes debugging easier, it prevents having accidental globals. That is, without strict mode, assigning a value to an undeclared variable automatically creates a global variable with that name. Okay, so this is one of the most major common errors. In strict mode, attempting to do that will be throwing an error. Okay, so ustrict also helps us in eliminating this coercion. That is, without strict mode, a reference to this value of null or undefined is automatically coerced to the global. Okay, so this can create a lot of bugs. If you use strict mode, referencing this value of null or undefined will be throwing an error. Okay, so one more use of having strict mode is it disallows duplicate parameter values. Okay, strict mode throws an error when it detects a duplicate named argument for a function. Okay, so it really catches what is almost certainly a bug in our code that you might otherwise have wasted lots of time tracking down. Okay, so the strict mode also makes eval safer. Okay, and it also throws error on invalid usage of delete. So the delete operator, which is used to remove properties from objects, cannot be used on non-configurable properties of the object. Okay, non-strict code will fail silently when an attempt is made to delete a non-configurable property, whereas strict mode will throw an error in such a case. Okay, so with respect to eval, there are some differences in the way eval behaves in strict mode and in non-strict mode. So most significantly, in strict mode, variables and functions declared inside of an eval statement are not created in the containing scope. Okay, they are created in the containing scope in non-strict mode. Okay, this can also lead to bugs. Okay.